Díoghaibh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn the word for fox. Shun-ukh, shun-ukh, or madra, roo-a. Shun-ukh, madra, roo-a. Madra, roo-a literally means a red dog. Now, let's make some sentences with these words. Hun-ik me shun-ukh inné. Hun-ik me shun-ukh inné. I saw a fox yesterday. Hun-ik me shun-ukh inné. Cá bhfuil an madra roo. Cá bhfuil an madra roo. Where's the fox? Don't forget that there are many different ways to pronounce each word in Irish. To learn more Irish like this, why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.